Welcome back. In this update, I discuss my experience with the Synco G2 A2 wireless microphones over the past 8 months. To recap, the Synco G2 is a less expensive alternative to devices like the Rode Wireless and DJI Mic. Let's discuss the specs. The Synco G2 A2 features 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, and features the ability to switch between mono or stereo outputs. It's ideal for face-to-face interviews, YouTube video, and other 2-person shots. It allows for up to 330 feet or 100 meter transmission range. It comes with a high contrast TFT display screen on the transmitters and receiver. It displays the current recording mode, battery status, audio level, and gain. There's 1 button muting and real-time monitoring. The switch is designed to mute your wireless microphone for a short pause in teamwork or device setup rather than turn off the system repeatedly. The system has a 3.5mm headphone jack for monitoring recording status during shooting in real time. The system has a compact design. You can easily use it as a lapel microphone or operate it as a body pack transmitter with the included external lavalier microphone. It supports working for long hours, up to 8. So what's my experience been like with the Synco G2? Well, it's pretty good, honestly. The sound quality has been great in multiple environments. That includes indoor, outdoor, and wind. Various distances keep the same good sound quality with no loss or distortion. The devices themselves have been very durable, and the G2 A2 bundle comes with just about everything you could need. There are 2 real negatives about this device. The first is that there is no included adapter for cell phones that do not include a headphone jack. For example, I had to purchase an adapter for my iPhone to be able to record audio when I was filming with my phone. However, this adapter only costs a few dollars on Amazon. The other downside to the Synco G2 is the lack of onboard storage for audio. For example, the Rode Wireless has this option included, and it's a potential lifesaver if you run into audio problems while recording, as you'll have a backup on board. This hasn't been an issue for us yet, but I can certainly see how it could be useful. I'm recording this audio on the Synco G2 with my cell phone. I've really enjoyed using the Synco G2 over this past year, 8 months to be exact. I've recorded more than 40 videos with these microphones, and they've done a fantastic job for both of us. I would highly recommend the G2 to anyone who's looking to do YouTube videos or interviews. It's very useful. It comes with everything you need just about, and it's pretty affordable. Currently, I believe it's still at around $200 on Amazon for the complete set. May be able to get some discounts, get it a little cheaper. I'm not sponsored by G2, but I would definitely recommend picking these up. So I hope that helps. Please stay tuned to our channel, like, share, subscribe. There's going to be more product reviews, movie reviews, and of course just our life here in Ecuador coming soon. Thanks.